welcome back everyone to Caiden Black Racing. We're in the race shop actually for once, but today we're going to put the wrap on the race car and have a bunch of fun with it.
So what's our problem right now?
Wrap's just a teeny bit short, but we're going to accommodate and fix it, so it'll be okay.
Cut it here, angle it, cut it here. I think it might actually fit better because it'll move it all down, won't it? It's easier to fix the back than the front. Yeah.
Takes 3 people to figure this out. That's how you know we're doing it right.
Well, no, Court had no clue what he was even doing. He was
you know, what's the difference between the last time we did a video and this time is? Where's that Mountain Dew at? You see it right back there? I told you, Mountain Dew will get him going.
Now you got me going.
Oh. Hey, ask him, if you want to really get him going, ask him about what kind of offense is best to run in football, a wing tee or a spread.
The spread is.
See?
Depends on your personnel.
Yeah.
No, the doesn't. In today's day and age, spread is where you go. You don't run wing tee with a whole bunch of skinny.
Well, that's the problem. You got too many skinny.
Well, that's why you play spread, so you can throw the ball straight.
Pull it out tight.
Yeah, it probably ain't gonna be precise, but make it look like it is. There we go.
What the is that?
That whole thing over here too.
You just have to trim out the orange into that.
Curtis.
Go straight up too. It don't go in a sideways angle.
Go help him.
It don't go in a. He's trying to put it on like this. What the does that look like? It goes like that. Thank you.
We'll just cut the...
You're putting a picture of Ian on there.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Looks pretty, yeah, it looks pretty similar actually.
Hey, you gotta arch your back more. Give us a good arch here. Bark like a dog for me.
Further to the back, better.
Didn't it, Court? Yeah, hey, heat that up right there because it won't stick.
She got a little free. It'll be alright. That needed to happen anyway. Tutorial here. So you got your old shop Angry Duck. You hit racing. You just gotta scroll until you find Caiden Black Racing. You click on it.
This sounds like a car breaking down.
Maybe it'll load. Ian's got some Cricket internet here. Cricket wireless. Oh, there we go. So now you're on my merchandise site. Then you can scroll and pick out whatever you want and add it to the cart and order it. So Ian's making a list now.
So we can shut that down.
Well, someone, you know, the pump and the gas didn't really work, so we ran the battery dead. Yeah.
Well, it started to get fire there at first, and then
Well, every time it goes to fire, it just the starter kicks out.
Like shuts down.
So, you know, we just got this car wrapped, and we like to thank all these sponsors that are on here that helps make this thing possible for Caiden to race. You know, if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be able to do any of this. You know, Adams Brothers and Zimba Brothers, they're part of the Zimba Corporation, or Zimba Companies. They've been with us since he started when he was in the mini wedge days back when he was 6 years old. So they've always been a long time supporter of us. So we want to thank them very much for sticking with us. This here is the Cuz Pit Crew deal. This is one of the fellas that came on last year and helped us in the pits, you know, with doing odds and ends and anything we needed. He would help us out. He's fighting a battle right now, guys, with cancer, and you know, we felt that it was really good to you know, show him, you know, our support, you know, for helping him battle his deal there with putting him on here on the car. You know, he goes by a lot of different nicknames, but Cuz is about the only fitting one we could put on here. So you know, Jimmy Williams, you know, this is for you too. Cuz's pit crew, keeping the faith, you know, keep fighting, dude. We want to see you at the track a lot this year, so you know, just do your thing and be you. So LePage Motorsports on the hood here. Matt has, you know, done a wonderful job with helping us with motors. He's rebuilt motors and, you know, really fast times last year for us, getting parts. Caiden's actually had the opportunity to go work for Matt, you know, the last couple years. He's learned a lot. You know, Matt's very good with taking step-by-step instructions for Caiden to learn how to put motors together, as far as, and also taking them apart. So we want to thank Matt LePage for his you know, support with our racing program. And if you guys ever need anything with motors, street car, race car, he does pulling trucks, you know, get a hold of Matt. He does a very good job. So over here on this side of the car, you know, Denny's, Kevin and Paula Coveney, they have been a supporter of Caiden as well throughout the mini wedge years. You know, they have always, you know, supported Caiden with the racing and everything, and we've really we really appreciate their support and everything they do for us. Carol Golf Real Estate, you know, Carol come on board there about 4 or 5 years ago. She's been a very good supporter of Caiden and his racing. So another one that we have here too is Mike's Auto Body. There's a little bit of history there with Mike. You know, Caiden used to race in a series in the mini wedge, and it was Mike's Auto Body series. Mike's a great guy. He does a lot of things for the younger kids in the racing. He's well known in the High Valley for his street stock racing and things like that. But you know, Mike is a wonderful guy and helps us out tremendously with, you know, with his support. So we want to thank him as well. Mallett's Concrete, John Mallett. He's been with us a long time as well. He is a very good known man around here for his concrete work and all this other kind of thing. His favorite saying is, if it's not hard, it's not ours. So, you know, you can take that how you want, but that's how John puts that on there. That's his slogan. So, you know, like I said, John's been a supporter of Caiden for many years as well. And we can't thank John enough for everything he's done for us. Ty Torg, you know, he's also a guy that we can lean on to go get parts and things like that when we need parts in a hurry. He's just up the road from us. He helps out tremendously with, you know, making sure we have what we need when we need it. And just, you know, we want to thank Ty for that, you know, being able to do that. So Abel's has been with us there for about 3 or 4 years as well. They're a local heating and cooling company. They have grown here in the last few years themselves, and we just want to thank them for being on the car and helping us out, you know, with Caiden and his racing. 3B Welding, it's a local family here in town. They have come on board there about 2 or 3 years ago, and Blaine Knowlton is actually one of the fellows that own that 3B Welding. He has always been very supportive of Caiden and always interested in knowing how he does. So we want to thank Blaine and 3B Welding for their support. Over here on the other side, here on the bottom of the car, we have Williamson Insurance. Williamson is a local insurance company here in Zanesville. They have been supportive of Caiden for the last 3 or 4 years. We want to thank them for their support. Earl's Village Pizza. You know, Brian Wheeler, he is taking the Earl's Village Pizza and turned it into something, you know, really special. That was a homestead for a lot of families to go to in New Concord there back in the 80s and 90s when they were still downtown. But he has taken the name and made a great, you know, formula to get the pizza back to where it was. So we want to thank, you know, the Wheelers for that as well. First to High Mortgage or Finance. First to High Finance, that's Miss Bradley. She helps us out also. She's been with us for a couple, 3 or 4 years, so we want to thank her. One of the new ones we have this year is German Farms Market. They are actually located just west of here on 40. He has basically it's a little deli that they have where you can get cold cuts. They have specials, lunch specials throughout the week. But it's just a locally family-owned great company when it comes to like your fresh meats, your cheese, and all that. They are just getting started, but they're also doing a wonderful job. So if anybody, you know, would like to go maybe check them out or whatever, they're located on the west side of Norwich here in Zanesville. So, but thanks Tyler German for your support this year. We appreciate it. J.M. Adams has been a long stay with us. A little bit of history behind that is Josh, you know, unfortunately has passed away about 5 years ago, but he was a very good supporter of Caiden and his racing. He's also been one of the influences for Caiden. Caiden and him had a bond about how to, you know, manage to do things, you know, how to make things work, how to make things not work. But Josh was a very unique individual that had a very big heart. He basically loved to, you know, teach basketball, help out with racing any way he could. He was a pretty solid dude that, you know, we all miss. So King Quarries, that is a sponsor that's been here for about 3 years now. It's a local stone quarry down just south of here. They do a lot of residential stone supply for them, residential local people. You're more, you know, where you can get down and get gravel and things for your driveway and such. That's just one of the local places that you can go get that would be King Quarries. Concord Fitness. It is actually Concord Fitness and in New Concord. It is a new establishment, man. It's probably been here around 3 or 4 years. It's a local young man that him and his wife have basically gave someone here in New Concord a place to go work out. They have a workout facility. They have different places around New Concord here that we can, you know, there's not many places you can go work out. So they have given basically the people of New Concord a place to go work out and things like that. Health Kick is also associated with that. If you guys don't know what Health Kick is, it's a healthy place to go drink shakes. My daughter Carson actually works down there, but they make really good shakes. So, you know, if you guys are interested in anything like that, go check them out. You know, you guys everybody sees the Shop Angry Duck. Shop Angry Duck, Kurt with Shop Angry Duck has done a wonderful job with, you know, working with us on getting the wrap design, the colors and everything that we want. We'll be also, I guess there is a store now that you can go to at shopangryduck.com. And if you look up Caiden Black Racing, you will have a wide variation of different apparel that is available with hats, shirts, sweatshirts, long sleeve shirts, zip up jackets, just a lot of different, you know, criteria and things that you know want to choose from with Caiden's racing design and all that kind of stuff on there. So, you know, if you want to, you know, check him out, that's Shop Angry Duck on the web. And like I said, I want to thank Kurt for, you know, everything he has done for us. So JSC Racing, John O'Connor, he came aboard about a year and a half ago and really give us that, I guess, lift that we needed to make it to the next level with helping us out. And, you know, we respect John and appreciate everything he's done for us. So that's what the JOC Racing is. If you want to look right here on the front, Unique Walls and Ceiling. That also is a long stander. He's been with us. That's Les and Lance Elson. They've been with us for, oh gosh, I've known him since I was probably 12, 13 years old. But he's been very beneficial to Caiden. Him and Lance both. They help him out all the time with, you know, different ways of teaching him how to do things or questions that might be asked that he needs to know. You know, Lance is always there to help with setups and things like that. And, you know, Les is there just to, you know, give his opinion on things. You know, and Les is a great guy and Lance is a great guy. So we just appreciate, you know, their continued support with the Unique Walls and Ceilings. You know, Crino's Pizza on this side here, you know, Ryan Haynes with Crino's Pizza. He's been a supportive of Caiden and his racing for, you know, a few years now. He's also been, you know, one of those guys that's always, you know, asking questions and wanting to know, you know, what's going on with his, you know, process throughout the year and stuff. So we appreciate their support there at Crino's. Lepi and Associates, Bobby Lepi, she's been around for a while as well. She is a local real estate person there in Zanesville. She has many offices, I think, in Dresden and Frazeysburg. But they're a local real estate company there that's been with us a long time as well. And on this side here, we pretty much got our same down here on the bottom as the other side that I talked about. Muskingum Commercial Roofing. Muskingum is owned by Daniel Petersheim, and he is out of Zanesville. He does a lot of local and little commercial job. I don't know, little, but they do commercial, a little bit of commercial work as well as residential. But he does a very good job. He's very on site, very precise. He does a really good job with everything. If somebody needs something, just say he'll be there to do it. So Daniel and Muskingum Commercial Roofing, we appreciate their support. Mount Perry Propane, Wes. You know, we want to thank Wes for coming on board again this year and helping out. They're a propane company there over towards Thornville, Mount Perry area. They've been supportive of us for the last four years, so can't thank them enough. And then Finishing Touch Landscape, that is our crew guy. That is Kevin Lena. He does a lot of, you know, helping out with us at the pits and helping out with Caiden and things like that. He's a really good guy that helps us at the track and gets things going when we need to get things going, and he takes care of Ian when he gets a little bit out of control. So we appreciate his help. Wally's here. They've been a continued supporter as well. It's a pizza store that was created in Cambridge, Ohio, that has branched out a little bit here to Caldwell and Sadie Concord. Matt Haynes is the owner of that. He does a really good job of making that old-fashioned pizza that we remember when we were kids. So we appreciate his continued support as well. So, but I mean, if you guys, if you can't tell, we've got a lot of, great, wonderful partners and sponsors. Caiden, like I said before, Caiden can't do any of this without you guys' support, and we appreciate everything you guys do for us. So, we're always looking for more, but without these people, we couldn't do anything either. So, we just want to thank you, and we're ready for the 2024 season, guys. Also, I forgot to mention this anyway, but the Shop Angry Duck deal, we got a thing going with Kurt and the guys there. If you go online, there's a thing on there where you can help support Caiden with like a sponsored thing, and what that'll get you is a crew shirt. For $175 you can get a crew shirt, and you can also get your name put on the deck of Caiden's car somewhere, probably over there by the gas tank or the oil tank. We'll put a line of people there. But you get those things, and you get that. You also get entered into a drawing to get one of his sides at the end of the year, and it gives us a little bit of money as well for Caiden to go on. So like I said, that's if you go to Shop Angry Duck and you look up to be a sponsor, that's what that is. It's $175 to do it. Like I said, you get your name on the car, you get a crew shirt, get into a drawing to get one of these sides at the end of the year, and it gives us a little bit of money as well. So, but like I said, everything here on this car, these people, we can't do anything without them. If there's anybody out there that'd like to be a part of Caiden Black Racing, we're more than welcome to talk, and we'd love to have you with us. But if you guys are liking what you see, we're going to have Owen behind the camera. We're going to have Caiden. We're going to have Ian, which is not here right now at the moment. Ian's a little wound up, but he'll be all right. We just want to thank you guys and say, if you want to check us out some more, we'll be popping some more videos out here, hopefully in the near future. But we just wanted to show everybody, the car and how we're going to look this year at 2024. And if you like what you see here, just click a like on the bottom and like and subscribe. So thank you guys for your time.